Here we are again. This is Mimi being very good. We've had her for 30 years, and it's taken me that long to get her to be able to do this. So she is, at this point, I believe, yeah, just happy. She and I have really, I can't think of the word. Anyway, we're totally co-joined as of the last year since she started getting off the cage and following me. I still haven't really done all of the things that she does. I will start shortly, and she literally follows me around like a dog. No matter what I do, she comes down off her perch or her cage. We have 2 on the inside and 1 outside. And then she just stands there and looks at me to see what I'm doing. I don't think she'll talk right now. She's, at the end of the day, she's not as talkative as she is in the morning. Anyway, Mimi, that's it.